Okay. For the given ratio, find two equivalent ratio of complete table. Okay. Before going to solve this sum, suppose here 6 divided by 4. Last class I already said that 6 by 4. So I can simplify this one. First of all, check that this is 6 divided by 4, correct? Yeah, 6 divided by 4. So 6 divided by 4. Yeah, check that 6 and 4 having the same table. Okay, in which table 6 and 4 value will come? So 3, first table I know, okay, first table no problem. Second table 2 3s are 6, correct? Divided by 4 values, 2 table is 2 2s are 4. So this is correct. So this 2 cancel. I can write 3 by 2. So 6 by 4. I just write 6 by 4 as 3 by 2. Is it okay? So listen. Suppose 8 by 12. In which common table we have 8 and 12. So two table, okay, two table fine. So 4 twos are 8, correct? So 4 twos are 8 divided by 6 twos are 12. So this 2 cancel, okay? Balance remaining is 4 by 6. So the remaining term is 4 by 6. So this 4 by 6 we can simplify. How? So 4 by 6, yeah, 2 table. So 2 twos are 4 divided by 3 twos are 6. Correct? 2 cancel. Answer is 2 by 3. Answer is 2 by 3. So I can write 8 by 12 as 2 by 3. Okay. But this is simplification. But I have to expand. Okay. I have to find out new ratios. Look at that. First one is 1 is to 3. 1 ratio 3. So fraction form is 1 divided by 3. We already know that. Okay. So 1 by 1 by 3 இது எப்படி இன்னொன்று ஃப்ராக்ஷனில் எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னா ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பை 1 ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் இஸ் 1 மல்டிப்ளை பை 2 ஸோ 1 மல்டிப்ளை பை 2 ஸோ 1 into 2 is 2 so 1 into 2 is 2 divided by 3 into 2 is 6 3 2s are 6 so 1 2s are 2 divided by 3 2s are 6 so this is the one of the fraction. Next step is what? First one is 2 table is over. Okay. So next is first is 2 tables, second is 3 table, multiply by 3 tables. So 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Yeah, that's it. So here look at that, this is 1 by 3 is equal to, next one is what? Multiply by 2, 2 tables. So 1 2s are 2 divided by 3 2s are 6. This is the one of the fraction. And then from this one only multiply by 3. So 1 3s are 3 divided by 3 3s are 9. So look at that, 2 by 6, 3 by 9. Find out. So what is the fourth step? Multiply by fourth table. So 4 by 12. So 1 4s are 4 divided by 3 4s are 12. That's it. You are now telling me, here look at the 3 ratio 7. So I can write 3 by 7. So 3 by 7. So what is the same fraction equal to same fraction? 2 table multiply by 2 table. So 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. Okay, and then so answer is 6 by 14. And then the 3 table is 3 3s are 9 divided by 7 3s are 21. Yeah, so you can write this answer here. And then third one is 5 by 8. So look at that, 5 by 8. So what is ring? 5 2s are 10. So So 5 by 8. Okay, 5 by 8. So 2 table is 10 divided by 8 2s are 16. And the 3 table is 5 3s are 15 divided by 8 3s are 24. So answer you have to write here. Okay. So this is our answer. And then say next one is, look at that, 4 ratio 5. And the next ratio, equivalent ratio is 8 ratio dash. So 4, this is 8. How can I change 4 into 8? We have to multiply 4 multiply 2. The answer is 8. Correct? Yeah, that's it. So the 4 changed into 8, which means the 4 multiplied by 2. So 5, how can I change here? My 5 multiplied 2 is 10. So your answer is 10. And then look at that. Here is 50. So that 5 value changed to 50, which means what? 5 multiplied by 10 only, we get 50. Correct? Huh? So that 5 value multiply by 10. So here 10 first box la 2 ஆல multiply பண்ணிருக்காங்க, second box la 10 ஆல. So 4 into 10 is 40. So here is 40. And then look at here. So 4 changed to 12. Correct? Huh? So 4, how can I change? How can 4 change to 12? So 4 3s are 12. So 4 multiplied by 3, it will be 12. So we have to multiply 5 by 3. So 5 into 3, answer is 15. 15. Same method. 7, look at the 7 is to 2, 7 ratio 2. So second value is 10. Yes, second value is 2. So 2 எப்படி 10 change ஆச்சு? So 2 5s are 10. So the first value is multiplied by 5. So 2 5s are 10 means our first value is 7 5s are 35. So your answer is 35. And then look at that, here is 14. So first value 7. 7, how can 7 change to 14? 2 multiply. So 7 2s are 14. So in second table we have to multiply 2. So 2 2s are 4. Here is answer 4. And then 7, here is 49. So 7 7s are 49. So 7 multiplied by 7. So 2 7s are 14. Okay, same method only. Look at that, 8 ratio 5. Okay, here is 32. 32 is first value. So 8 changed into 32. How? 8 4s are, so 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So which means we have to multiply this 4 value by, we have to multiply this term into by 4 value. So 8 4s are 32 and 5 4s are 20. Okay, and then look at that, here second value is 50, here is 5. So 5 changed into 50, which means what? 5 multiply by 10. So 5 tens are 50. So we have to multiply 8 by 10. So 8 tens are 80. So second is over. And then look at the third one is 16 here. So 8 changed into 16, which means 8 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16. So that 8 multiplied by 2. So we have to multiply this 5 by 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. 5 2s are 10. So answer is 5 2s are 10. Is it okay? Yeah.